beautiful resort, Newport Beach, California. Ocean view. You can see the ocean right there. You got the golf course. And then we got a beautiful resort right here. Rooftop. We got the rooftop bar. You can have the view from the most expensive resort in California. Average night, you're looking about $5,000 per night. You also have access to the golf course. There's the golf course. Let me zoom in. That's the golf course right there. Beautiful sunny day. It's about 75 degrees. All right, and then we got the restaurant right here. Super cool place. Love this place.